Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to connect the switches so that the machine can operate. We start with connecting the end-stop switch. As you can see, we connect the two terminals of the wire to the jack available on the machine frame to link to the end-stop switch. We do the same as on the first Y-axis, but on the second Y-axis, we only have one jack. Next, we will connect the air tube and the top camera connection cable, as shown in the video. Then, there is the jack for the main connection of the machine. Thus, we have basically connected the Y-axis part. We counter the Z-axis. Arrange the top camera cable appropriately and then load it into the jack at the bottom. There are the end-stop and step X-axis connector. We will connect it inside the Z assembly as shown in this video. Then plug the vacuum air hose into the available hole above and the remaining wire bundle into the jack next to the end stop and step. Thus, we have completed the connection work on the Z and X axis. Finally, plug the jack at the bottom of the base feeder. Thus, we have completed the connection work for the machine.